Yeah. Ooh, feel good to be home, baby. It feel good to be home, E.
Sir.
Welcome to the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast Show. It's your boy Macko Scott, the man Russian.
And I'm Salim, the man Taylor Street.
My homie E, we got a nice show today. It's good to be home. We on Warm. This Bunker 2, we got to call this Bunker 2. It's really original Bunker 1, but since you the man Taylor Street, you got Bunker 1. We officially in Bunker 2. You know what I mean? We got to watch out. It's cool. It's cold outside.
Very chilly out here. Y'all see I got a hoodie on.
Yeah, you got a hoodie on.
And a cap. You already know. It's time. It's that time now.
It's that time, but I'm coming with it today. I with my collar shirt. Y'all know when I got this red polo on, all my guys know when I put on this red polo, that means I'm about business today. We get into the betterverse today. We got a lot lined up today, E.
Season 2, episode 14.
Nah, this is season 3.
Season 3, episode 14.
Yeah, that's where we at. Season 3, episode 14. We're a little off the rocks, but we ain't banged up yet.
We ain't like that yet.
The spaceship ain't smoked out, but hey, we grooving, man. Man, I was just happy to be here. What do you want to start at with? Colorado?
Man, we got to jump it off with Colorado talks, man. You know, I know a lot of y'all might get tired of America, but we don't care. We ain't never getting tired.
We ain't tired. They lost 3 games, but it's hot. They explain. They still top of our hearts. So
they top of our
hearts. I love Colorado, man. Shout out to Prime, right?
Man, hey, shout out to Prime really this week for saying that, man. They playing a bowl. We got this far now. We playing a bowl game because normally players they sit out during a bowl game because they didn't make the playoffs. But Prime was like, no, we not going. We're not finna. We finna establish this camaraderie right now for next year and the year after that, you know. We made it here. We had a bowl game. We ain't been in a bowl game before. Y'all ain't finna act people down now, the superstars. So shout out to Prime for telling his players, nah, man, let's play to the end. We ain't going nowhere.
I love that. Prime time, always our idol, man. You know we love Prime time to death. Shout out his son though, Shiloh.
Man, Shiloh
he came, he saw, he conquered. Colorado was definitely on the map because of him.
That's Shador.
Shador. Yeah. Y'all know.
Shout out to Shiloh too. Shout out to Shiloh.
Yeah, shout out to Shiloh. He be laying that hat. He be laying that hat. He be hitting his dances too.
But go back Shador though.
Yeah, Shador.
Shout out to Shador.
I had to do his sign because he been put on in Colorado.
Yeah.
All-time lead passer in Colorado.
Man.
First, he won an award. He won a quarterback award. First person from Colorado ever to do it. So, man, he really snapped out with that. Shout out Travis Hunter, too, man.
Travis Hunter.
A lot of awards. He up for a lot of awards on both sides of the ball.
All he do is score touchdowns and get an interception every game. Yeah. I feel like. Every time I see it.
And an interception every game. Every week he's showing up, especially in crunch time. They didn't let some comeback situations. So, man, shout out to the boys in Colorado, man. Boulderville. Y'all know we love y'all.
Boulderville. And before we get out of college, because I got to show some love to this guy, too, man, because nobody really don't show him respect or whatever the case is. But this guy's breaking records. I'm talking about Ashton Genty.
Oh, Boise.
Y'all don't know about Ashton Genty from Boise. Then y'all just know who he is. They rank number 10 right now. They going to the playoffs. Yeah. Dude only do is all he get is 200 yards, 250 yards every game.
Yeah, 200 yards, 2 touchdowns.
Y'all got to start looking at this dude and see why is he getting that amount. And I think that is the junkyard of the Heisman. If your boy don't win, Hunter don't win, it's his hands down because he just doing too much every single week. And he might win a national championship because of his running.
Man, I don't think nobody can really stop him.
At all.
He like the best running back I done seen in years.
Ever.
In years.
Going first round.
Yeah. Whoever snooze on him, good luck.
The Bears,
Hey. Speaking about the Bears, we got a lot coming on in Bears Talk today, man. Got a lot going on in Bears Talk. We coming with C-Red today, of course.
C-Red.
E coming back with his top 5 today. It's a little shake-up.
It's a shake-up, but not too much, because my top 5 is getting settled in, so it ain't nothing too much sweet. I already know what it is.
Yeah, not too much calibration, and then, we come with Bears Talk, new coach, new team.
Yes,
y'all know what it is. The McCaskey might be back, and we're going to end it with the Dogs, man. But, man, shout out 89, though, man.
Shout out 89.
89 did his thing. Better first time. 89 did his thing.
That's indeed. Hey.
89. Hey, for y'all don't know, we had 89 on the show during Olympic time. He gave us a lot of bangers over the Olympic basketball era. But 89 put together a parlay, 24 legs. Y'all know it's frowned upon. But, man, it was 24 legs. It was a basketball parlay. It was 200 to 1. Brother turned $2.50 into $500, man. It was amazing. Amazing play, amazing move. That's what we about. Odd chasing at his finest. So 89 got to get that brother his flowers this week on the Weekly Dog. And man, yeah, definitely got his Christmas money. He hit his den. He did. Hey, he been killing the chat. He been killing the book page. It's crazy, man. So I gotta show 89 some love. That same Maliki crew putting in that work, man. Go Rams, you feel me?
Man, hey, 89, yo, you the man for that one. 24 legger.
Yeah.
It's unheard of. And when I saw that, I was like, I can't believe it, but you know, it had to happen to you because you've been on them all. You've been on them all year. You've been giving us mad knowledge. You've been knowing what's going on in this game. So I ain't surprised it was you.
I ain't surprised either. I'm just really charged for him because I know the type of work he put in, type of dedication he put in. He an avid listener to the show, so I gotta show him some love. He been on the show. He one of the brothers. And he out hard hoops too. He was a real Ram. He played on the basketball team, did his thing, so he know hoops. And that's why we do this podcast for brothers like him and for brothers like us, man. So
and he motivated me, you know. So I wanted to stand this betterverse, you know. 'Cause I got a lot to say with this betterverse.
Yeah,
situation.
keep it going. I like the betterverse.
But before I do, man, please make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, comment, man. Comment, you know, about y'all betterverses and what y'all feel, all the topics and everything. You know, we looking for that. We looking for all of that. So I'm gonna just jump right off because I've been thinking about a lot of futures lately, you know, and I've been doing my homework. And this is for you guys, America, and this is not for just this week. This is for the overall what's been going on with the soap opera of the NFL. So I'm going ahead and jump right off right now. My dogs for the division, my divisional winners now. That's in the place. They right now either in first or second place or only one game behind. But I put together a 3-legger. I got the Baltimore Ravens right now plus 130. They right now they're in second place. I feel like, you know, they got some time to grow. But this is my dog, you know what I'm saying, as far as they can actually pick up Pittsburgh. You know, they got to play against each other one more time. Them mixed with Minnesota, they plus 500. Minnesota 10-2. Now, last time I checked, they 11-1 on Detroit, but they only one game off. They got to play each other one more time. They plus 500, and you throw that in with Arizona, they already in first place at plus 180. You put that together, that's 30-1, America. 30-1. You got all season. You got about 5 games. That's a 5-week.
Okay, so let me get this right. You got Baltimore to win the AFC.
Baltimore to win the AFC North.
Okay.
I got Minnesota to win the NFC North.
Okay.
And I got Arizona to win the NFC West.
Okay, that 3-leg right there.
Together, 32-1, and they only one game behind right now. And they all play the teams that's in front of them.
Okay.
You know, that's my one. That's my big dog. You know. And then if you want to keep it modest, you know, some like, you know, you're more of like a market manager type person.
He giving out dogs early. You know, he could wait.
I could wait for this. This more of a 7-1. I'm liking Tampa Bay. I'm liking Tampa Bay at plus 110 over Atlanta. Atlanta been losing a lot of games lately. And last time I checked, man, Baker Mayfield's still baking. You know, he's still baking. I just don't trust the receivers in Atlanta, you know, to just continue this out the whole year. I feel like Tampa been doing this for a long time as far as getting it at the end. They don't got to worry about New Orleans no more.
Okay.
Pittsburgh already in first place. They minus 160. You put them two together and you throw a little twister, a little sprinkler of the Seattle Seahawks. That's already in first place, plus 145. That's 7-1 right there. You know what I'm saying? That's more of a conservative bet. But
7-1.
These are longevity bets right there. That's 3-team right there. I'm not going too far. I'm not trying to do too much. That's 2 for you. I got a couple of more, and then I'll be done with y'all out y'all here. But I want to show y'all this love right here because I feel like this is something that everybody needs in America right here. We're talking about Saquon Barkley. Saquon Barkley to break the running back record. Guess what the running back record is?
What is it?
2,106 yards.
Okay.
Saquon Barkley got 1,499 yards.
How many games left he got?
5 more games. He needs 607 yards. He needs to average 121 yards to break that record.
Okay.
And 5 more games. It's plus 300.
Okay.
Now you got 5 games, and you might get a cash out if you get close to it.
Yeah.
Depending on how much money you put it on. But that's not the best one. This is my last one, and I'm going. Like again, can we talk to your homework? Yeah. Homework is done, man.
Okay. He gonna win. The betterverse.
The best one out of all of them. The best one out of all of them. I got the Buffalo Bills. The Buffalo Bills, not to win the Super Bowl, not to make not to win the division. I got them plus 500 to have the most victories at the end of the season.
Okay.
At the end of the season, America.
Okay. Buffalo.
Right now,
Let's go, Buffalo.
Buffalo right now is 10-2.
Okay.
Now, they one game behind Detroit and Kansas City. They already beat Kansas City, so if Kansas City can't lose no more games. Buffalo play Detroit December 15th. After that, they play the Jets, they play New England, and a couple of other teams that's under 500.
I like it.
Versus
like
Detroit got to play Minnesota, Green Bay, Chicago again.
Oh, yeah.
So for plus 500, for them to have the most wins in the regular season, I'm taking that one first.
I like it.
You take it. You got all season for that. You got all season.
Yeah.
We in the better verse.
Better verse, man. Better verse. You don't like it, better against
Better
you, man.
against us.
It's hey, you dropped a lot of jewels. I gotta
Hey, thank you, baby. Thank
cheers.
you. He said me your homework. I'm like, I'm doing my homework, you know.
He went hard in the better verse early, but we still got more lined up for y'all, man.
Yes, sir.
Shout out to the fantasy too. It's fantasy playoff time. Joe's versus Shy Guys. Shout out y'all. Shout out my other fantasy league. I can't really say their name, but I'm kicking their ass over there too. And I'm kicking ass in this league too.
Oh yeah, he making the playoffs. Shout out to making the playoffs, Joe.
Yeah. Let's have a toast for that.
Yeah, I gotta have a toast.
Y'all gotta know the difference between toast and a cheers. We got a toast for that one. I'm officially in the playoffs with Chicago, Sega Genesis,
Yes, sir.
Montana, Sega, whatever his name is. He one of the Holy Trinity guys. His real name DJ. And shout out to him, but I'm coming for the crown this year. I'm taking names and I'm kicking ass and all that good stuff. So man, that's where we at, man. But let's get into this iHeart Hoops, man. I'm charged. Are you ready? iHeart is at the end of the break, man. It's the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast. He came hard with the Metaverse today, early, and we finna come right back with iHeart Hoops on the other side of the break. Buckle up, man. The spaceship, it flies.